Mayong hapon!
Oh,
Ano yung ganun bilang?
Mayang hapon.
Mayong hapon sa inyo tanan.
Mga bay.
Karon na pami diri sa Bantayan Island, pero nimbalhin mi diri sa
Amihan Beach Cabanas.
Amihan Beach Cabanas. Cabana? Sige.
Havana, una, na, na.
Alright. So we will spend the last 3 days of our trip here. So far, super nice. Check it out.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Whoop.
Oh.
So this is our room.
It's a bit messy already, sorry.
Yeah, Zoe hasn't completely destroyed it yet.
Not yet, not completely, but this guy has. Jog.
Meow.
Nah, why you look like lechon manok?
But check it out, we'll give you the quick tour. The bathroom is super nice. Go ahead. So, super large bathroom. Very nice.
They have 8 rooms here, so it's a little boutique resort, but it's super nice and chill.
Alright, so now we are actually going to go out to the, what do you call it? Catamaran?
Catamaran, the
Which
yacht.
is a yacht.
Yes. Lens, there we go.
So it used to be in El Nido, but
Yeah.
they moved it to Bantayan Island.
So it's the same yacht that we went on during the Red Bull cliff diving, which was lots of fun then. And today we are going to go on a sunset cruise, and we have some kayaks and stand-up paddleboards that we're gonna bring out there as well. So just cruise around the coast of Bantayan. It's gonna be fun.
Think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily.
Mamutag! Sa inyo tanan.
Everyone, na kami diri sa Virgin Island,
Berhen Isla
Bantayan.
Bantayan Island. Atpang sa Bantayan. Atpang sa Santa Fe Murag. Ambot.
Yes.
Yes, but we're gonna spend the entire day, not the entire day, but most of the day here on Virgin Island.
Yes, it's
So-
currently just us, which is
So,
awesome.
Berhen kayo.
Berlin.
Yes. I think usually it's very crowded here, so
We're very lucky.
tungkol sa pandemic, kami red duha.
So sand's really white. There's nice facilities. We'll show you around later. Sorry, I'm itching my legs. So itchy.
So a few things we're gonna do today. We're gonna jump off diving boards.
Yeah?
Yes, we're gonna snorkel, and we're gonna go to the neighboring island, which has a cave.
Yeah.
And then after that, we're gonna go back to Bantayan and go to the mangroves, I think.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna do.
So that's the game plan. You know the drill. Tara.
Yes.
Sige, diri ang Sana All Street.
So no. Yeah, so we're heading to the cliff jumping now, and we've never seen this before. It's like a Lovelock bridge, but cacti.
Cactuses.
Cacti.
Cacti. Wait,
Yeah.
check it out.
So you may have seen Lovelock bridges, but maybe not a cactus lane. What the? I saw some. Oh yeah, Dailene and Alistair, Sana All, JFK fam. If this is any of you, I hope you're still together. Oh, Ryan with a cross through it. I guess that didn't work out. Jellin also with a cross through it. Ouch. Carson, do you think we should do it?
Maybe it's bad luck. There's a lot of crosses.
Yeah, there's like a lot of breakups, I think.
It's the curse.
The cactus curse. Okay. See you at the cliff jumping. I can't do it. Why did you say woo? He's testing, but then he sends a backflip. That's a good test.
Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wise.
Okay guys, so while Carson is filming, I heard that there is a dog on the island. So I asked if they could bring Petra here, and this is Petra.
Peggy, Petra.
Wow. So she's 15 years old. She lives on the island. She's a pug.
She's very old already.
Aw. Hi Petra. Wow, and she's wearing Chanel. Petra. Wow. Oh, balik. Oh, hey, sorry, I'll give you privacy. Bye, Petra. Oh, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Salamat.
Food vlog.
Papa itchy his head.
Hats make me itchy.
Sige, food vlog. Ano sa ila giluto?
Fish.
Fish.
Fish? That's it, Pancit.
Alright, check it out. Grilled. This is grilled.
Yeah, it's called silay.
Silay and pancit. Mountain Dew. Yeah, with a view. Mountain Dew with a view. Alright.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Alright, we're gonna eat.
It's raining now.
It's already raining. After
What?
this, we're gonna head over to a neighboring island, maybe. Okay, balot kayo. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Dang, this weather sucks now. Anyways.
I'm hungry. Gotta go. Bye.
Sharon!
Let's get wet.
Let's get pitted.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to jump in. So let's get wet.
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Alright, so we made it here in
Obo.
Oboob mangroves. So Uspaga mangrove diri sa Bantayan. The other day was Balibid. So light ni siya.
Yes.
Mas gaman ni siya pero nindot daw.
Oh, but we didn't give you an update after our snorkel. Yeah, because we were going to, and then the pump boat. Anyway, we found something spooky. Why do I look so large? Am I zoomed in?
No.
Why do I look like this?
There you go.
Thank you.
Alright.
We found something spooky.
What was it called?
A crown of thorns. Actually, we found several of them. Crown of thorns starfish, which, if you're not aware, they are terrible. They eat all the baby coral, polyps like baby coral, and single-handedly destroy reefs. So we found some. It's not safe to remove them by hand, so we're gonna let tourism know that we found them, and hopefully they can do something about it, because it's not good. They were in a marine sanctuary, so
yeah, they need to patay.
yeah. So we've seen some videos of other people pataying them, but we did not have the resources available to us.
Correct.
Yes.
Little by little you wear me down.
Is this zoomed in?
Hello everybody. Now you're zooming in. Hello everybody.
Hello, everybody.
We are leaving Bantayan Island.
That's a wrap.
That's a
it,
wrap.
Pancit. Uno, dos mongos.
Whoa.
What?
Sige, mao na siya. Mao na siyang last vlog na mo diri sa Bantayan Island. Next time na sad. We are heading to another place in Cebu. We're not going to tell you where. Go ahead and comment below where you think we're going. But yes, the adventure continues diri sa Cebu.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to Amihan for letting us stay there the last 3 nights.
Yes. Thank you, Amihan. Thank you again, Super Shuttle Ferries.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we're leaving now on a Super Shuttle. So thank you.
Taking our car.
Yes.
Alright, so unta na lang mo. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og amping mo tanan. And we'll see you in the next one.
Adios muchachos.
Au revoir. Bon voyage. Feliz Navidad. What?
Ayo, ayo, amping pirmi sa inyong paglakaw, kadati kang hiyahi